She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing some short knotless box braids with curly ends, and we're using my hair blend. This one is Spiced Cranberry. I realize it's been a while since I've done a new hair blend on the channel. If you are new to the channel, in the past I've taken hair blend requests where people just comment different braiding hair colors that they would want me to mix or blend together to create a new custom color. And I did that for a while, and then I started to sell the custom colors that I was creating. So some of the hair blends that some of you guys have commented that a lot of people have liked, I went ahead and created a whole website and put some of these blends on there for others to be able to purchase that maybe don't have that particular color where they're at, or just don't want to have to blend themselves. So I do have several different hair blends to choose from. I will link this particular hair blend down in the description, and then I'll link my website for you guys to go check out all of the other hair blends that I have available. Definitely just browse through and see if there's anything that you like. I've done this color before on my channel as far as like doing the blend as well as doing it as a braided style. So this is probably the third time now that I'm working with this blend on my channel, but I just wanted to show you guys this style. So for this style, I did use 2 packs of this hair blend. The braiding hair that I use to make my hair blends are 28 inches long, but once I blend or mix them and do all the brushing and stuff, they tend to stretch, and so they come out to be about a little longer, so about 30 inches or so. And I cut the hair down the middle in half, and I used a total of 2 packs for this style. Now, if you're just wanting to do regular knotless box braids, regular length, then I always recommend people getting 5 to 7 packs because some people like it really full. I typically use 5 packs. That's usually enough for me to just do a regular length knotless box braids, but I have noticed some people get like 7 packs, 6 packs. So I like to recommend 5 to 7 packs depending on how full you like your knotless box braids to be or how long you want it. So this video is pretty self-explanatory. This video is not meant to be like a tutorial. I do have a really in-depth tutorial on how to do knotless box braids, how to part, stuff like that. So I'll link those below and above for you guys to check out. But this video is just to show you guys what the hair blend looks like braided for this style. So I hope you guys like it, and if you're wanting to purchase, again, just make sure to check out the link down in the description. Let me know what you guys think of the style. Let me know what you think of the color. Also, I want to get back into taking hair blend requests because, like I said, it's been so long since I've taken some new requests. So drop some down below. If I haven't gotten to your hair blend request, more often than not, it's just because that I don't have that specific color that you had requested. So usually I'll just go out to when I do the hair blend request on my channel, I usually just go out to my local beauty supply store to purchase that color. And so if I can't find that color, then unfortunately I'm not able to do it. But yeah, drop some new blend requests down in the comments, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I will show you guys what I'm using to curl the ends, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you guys be blessed, stay protected, and stay filled with love and peace.